So this is how you can install Yahoo Mail on your iPad. Let me explain it and let me show you how it works. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So you actually have more ways of how you can start using it. Like you can literally use the Mail app from Apple and sign in to Yahoo Mail there, or you can get a dedicated Yahoo Mail app. So let me cover both options. If we at first go to the settings, and you can find apps at the bottom, and from those we're going to go to the mail right away. And inside in here we get to manage our accounts, and the whole point of that is that you can sign in with your iCloud, with your Gmail, or any other provider which you're going to use within the Apple Blue Mail client app. And you can see that when I choose from the list, I can literally go to Yahoo as such and proceed with the setup. So I can sign in, I can do whatever I need, but using the sign in within the Apple Mail, I'm just going to add the account to the Apple's Mail client. So that's fine, but a lot of people prefer to instead go to the App Store, look up Yahoo Mail as a dedicated separate app, and you can definitely get it for free and install it on your iPad. You can then open it up and sign in exactly the same way, and you will essentially have access to multiple different accounts. Everything is going to work fine, and you can browse your emails, you can reply, you can use it as any other mail client, with the difference that this one is only reserved for the Yahoo Mail only. So that's what I wanted to explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.